Hi, if you're short-tempered, if you have ego problems, and if you are very angry, you have lot of anger, this pranayam is especially for you. I'm Manju, a yoga therapist from Stressfree Yoga. So today we are going to learn this pranayam called Shitkari, which balances your temperature. It gives you instant coolness. It can reduce your fever also. And it's a very good pranayam for those who have heart-related problems. And it also controls your high blood pressure. And my request is those who have low blood pressure will not follow this pranayam. You can sit in any meditative posture, back straight. I'm sitting in Sukhasana, arms relaxed on the knees in Chin Mudra. We start. Join your teeth together, one upon another, and your tongue touching up. Open your lips. This. And while inhaling, you have to do this noise. And inhale properly inside. Instant, you'll feel the coolness. This is also good for digestion. Those who have acid reflux, indigestion problem, it's also good for them. Close your eyes, back straight, just few inhalations and exhalations. Relax your mind. We start with the pranayam Shitkari. Teeth join one upon another. Open your lips. Close your lips and exhale from your nostrils. So I'll show you an advanced variation of this. We start. So when I'm inhaling with this voice, this noise, I hold the breath for few seconds inside my lungs, inside my belly. And then I exhale from my nostrils. You will see the coolness immediately. I'll show you once again. Hold. Exhale from your nostrils. So this was Pranayam Shitkari, which gives you so many benefits. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel so that we stay connected every time I upload a video. Watch the next video on stress bursting technique. Put few comments in the box which I would love to see. Thanks a lot. God bless.